Ever pondered why we say the dog chases its tail instead of the dog chase its tail? Welcome to the intriguing world of subject-verb agreement, a fundamental aspect of English grammar that keeps our sentences sounding right and making sense. Subject-verb agreement is all about ensuring the subject and the verb in a sentence match in number. That is, if the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. Similarly, if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural too. Let's delve into this with some examples. Take the sentence, "The cat chases the mouse." Here, cat is a singular subject, so the verb chases is also singular. Now, if we change cat to the plural cats, the verb also changes to the plural form chase. So the sentence becomes, "The cats chase the mouse." But what about sentences where the subject isn't so clear-cut? Well, that's where things get a little more interesting. Consider collective nouns, which refer to a group or collection of individuals. Words like team, band, family, or group are collective nouns. They're treated as singular entities, so they take singular verbs. For instance, we say, "The team wins the match," not "the team win the match." However, when members of the group are acting individually, the verb should be plural. For instance, "The team were arguing among themselves." Here, the team members are not acting as a single unit, so the verb were is plural. There are many more rules and exceptions in subject-verb agreement, but the fundamental principle remains the same. The subject and the verb must match in number. Now let's summarize what we've learned about subject-verb agreement. 1. If the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. 2. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. 3. Collective nouns are usually singular, unless the individuals in the group are acting separately. Remember, subject-verb agreement is crucial for constructing grammatically correct sentences. It's not just about sounding right, it's about conveying the right meaning. So the next time you write or speak, make sure your subjects and verbs are in agreement. It's a simple step that goes a long way in making your English clear, precise, and grammatically correct. Happy learning!